Properties of the volatiles: almost entirely volatiles are without decomposition. Density: most are less than 1 gram per ml, 2 are heavier. Most oil of cinnamon and clove oil. Soluble in ether, chloroform and alcohol. Slightly soluble in water, give it taste, characteristic odor and taste. Leaves a temporary translucent stain on paper which disappears as the oil volatile volatilizers. Most are colorless, oxidize on exposure to air and resinify. Color becomes darker, odor changes slightly. All are characteristic odors, most are optically active. So what is the production of the essential oils? So the essential oils are produced by steam. In the steam, again steam distillation, simple steam distillation, saturated steam distillation, and the hydrodiffusion. And by expression, other methods are concrete and resinoids may be produced by solvent extraction, by methods using oils and fats, by extraction by supercritical gases. Essential oil steam distillation. What is steam distillation? Simple steam distillation: plant material is immersed directly in a steel filled water. This is then brought to a boil. Heterogeneous vapors are condensed on a cold surface. Essential oil separates based on difference in density and immiscibility. Saturated steam. Plant does not come in contact with the water. Steam is injected to the plant material placed on perforated trays. It is possible to operate under moderate pressure. Advantages. What are the advantages of limits the alteration of the constituents of the oil? It shortens the duration of the treatment. It conserves energy. It can also be conducted on online in automated setups. What is hydrodiffusion? Pulses of steam is sent through the plant material at very low pressure from top to bottom. What are the advantages? Here the advantages: normally produces a product of high quality, saves time and energy. What is expression? This rind is lacerated and it is usually done for this expression method is done for the citrus fruits. In the epicarp, the rind is lacerated and the contents of the ruptured secretory cavities are recovered. Classic process: an abrasive action is applied on the surface of the fruit. In a flow of water, the solid waste is eliminated and the essential oil separated from the aqueous phase by centrifugation. Other machines break the cavities by depression and collect the essential oil directly, prevent the degradation linked to the action of water. Expression of citrus epicarps. Most facilities allow for the simultaneous or sequential recovery of the fruit juice and of the essential oil by collecting the oil with a spray of water after the abrasion before or during the expression of the fruit juice. Enzymatic treatment of the residual water allows recycling and markedly increases the final yield of essential oil. Citrus oils are also obtained directly from the fruit juices by vacuum de-oiling. Other methods: steam distillation by microwaves under vacuum. In this procedure, the plant is heated selectively by microwave radiation in a chamber inside which the pressure is reduced sequentially. Fresh plants require no added water. This method is fast, consumes little energy, and yields a product which is most often of a higher quality than the traditional steam distillation product. Products of concretes and resinoids. Solvent extraction. Extraction is generally preceded by a process of bruising the fresh, wilted or semi-desiccated organs, chopping herbaceous drugs, pounding roots and rhizomes of turning wood into chips or shavings. The procedure is conducted in specialized facilities, usually the Soxhlet type extractor. Solvent extraction. This solvent extraction is influenced by technical and economical factors, selectivity being a good solvent for a specific constituent, stability, chemical inertness, boiling point should not be high that the solvent can be completely eliminated, nor too low to limit losses and control cost. Handling, safety. Solvents most used are aliphatic hydrocarbons, petroleum ether, hexane, propane, and liquid butane. Although benzene is a good solvent, its toxicity increasingly limits is used. Solvent extraction. At the end of the procedure, the solvent contained in the plant material is recovered by steam injection. Main advantages of solvent extraction: lack of selectivity. Many lipophilic substances may end up in the concretes and render further purification necessary. The toxicity of solvents lead to the restrictive regulations regarding their use, residues in the final products. Methods using oils and fats. These procedures take advantage of the liposolubility of the fragrant components of plants in fats. Enfleurage. The plant material is placed in contact with the surface of the plant. Fat extraction is achieved by cold diffusion into the fat. Digestion carried out with heat by immersing the plant in melted fat, also known as the hot enfleurage. The final product is known as the floral pomade. Methods of using oils and fats. Pneumatic method, similar in principle to enfleurage method. It involves the passage of the current of hot air through the flowers. The air laden with suspended volatile is then passed through the spray of melted fat in which the volatile is absorbed. Extraction by supercritical gases. Beyond its critical point, a fluid can have the density of the liquid and the viscosity of gas. Therefore, diffuses well through solids, resulting in good solvent. Carbon dioxide is the main gas used. Advantages of carbon dioxide: it is a natural product, chemically inert, non-flammable, non-toxic, easy to completely eliminate, selectivity, readily available, and inexpensive. So these are some of the important points which are included in the volatile chapter.